Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 2 Module 2 Topic A. Okay, in this topic, we're going to be practicing more simplifying strategies for addition. Okay, so let's get started. This is lesson 1, explanation part. So each lesson will have 2 parts. First part is explanation where it does similar problems to the lesson. And the second part is the actual lesson part where it does the problems that are similar to the ones in the explanation. Okay, so first add, show how you know. Number 1, we have 1 plus 46 plus 14 plus 9. So they first wrote it out. They wrote 1 plus 9 plus 46 plus 14. Because we're combining the 1 and 9 to make 10. And the 46 and 14, they broke it apart into 10s and 1s. Okay, so first what I did, they added all the 10s together, equals 60, and added the 1s together, which is 10. So then 60 plus 10 is 70. So they added all this together by breaking apart numbers and adding them back together. Next, okay, number 2, read. Okay, the table shows Alex's crayons. His crayon box holds 96 crayons. Can all the crayons fit in the box? Alright, so he has 14, 31, 9, and 42. So what we need to do is add them all together, and that's 96. Since the box can hold 96, and he has 96 parent crayons, then the crayons can all fit in the box. Okay, number 3, use your 10 centimeter ruler to measure. So the paintbrush, they measured is 7 centimeters long. So all I did is take the ruler and measure. Okay, now number 4, count by ones, tens, and hundreds. 188 to 510. First, we went by ones to get to 190, or we can go by a 10 to get to 200, and then go by 100s to get to 500, and then add a 10 again and get to 510. Alright. This is lesson 1. Okay, lesson 1. Add, show how you know. Okay, so number 1, we have 22 plus 3 plus 18 plus 7 equals. So what we do here, we can do 3 plus 7 plus 22 plus 18. So see what we did here, all we did was first rearrange the order of the numbers. We put 3 and 7 next to each other because we know that we're going to combine these two. We can combine these two to make 10. And now 22 and 18, take them apart and separate the 1s and the 10s. So now it's easier to add. We can add, we're still adding the same amount, but we're just adding it in different parts. So this is now 10. We can do 10 plus 20 plus 10. Right now what we're doing is we're adding all of the 10s together, and that would be 40. And now we have to add the 1s, just 10. So then 40 plus 10 is 50. So this is just an easier way of adding. We're just like adding the same amount, but just breaking apart the numbers. So our total would be 50. Alright, number 2, we have 14 plus 25 plus 36 plus 10. Alright, so what do we do here? 14, 25, 36, 10. We can write them 14 plus 10. Take out the 10s and 1s. And 10, we can just leave it be. So add the 10s. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 10. That's 30, 60, 70. And then Now after we add the tens, add the ones. Okay, so we have 4 plus 5 plus 6. And that's 9 plus 6 is 15. So now we add 70 plus 15 is 85. So that means 14 plus 25 plus 36 plus 10 is equal to 85. Alright, number 3, read. We have our flowers and number of flowers. So 13 roses, 6 daisies, 27 tulips, and 10 lilies. This chart shows Kate's flowers. 60 flowers can fit in the vase. Can all of Kate's flowers, can these all fit in the vase? So what we want to do is add it together and make sure that the number does not exceed 60, or else the flowers cannot fit in the vase. So we can add together. So we have 13 plus 6 plus 27 plus 10. I'm going to take out the tens and ones. So now add the tens. 10 plus 20 plus 10. That's 40, and then now add the ones. 3 plus 6 plus 7. That's 16. So 40 plus 16 is 56. So 56 is our answer. That means 13 plus 6, 7 plus 10 is equal to 56. So 56 is less than 60. So yes, they can all fit in the vase. Alright. Number 4, cut out the 10 centimeters ruler. Use the 10 centimeter ruler to measure. You guys can do that, but if you have your own, I'm just going to measure with my own. So the microphone, make sure you start at 0. The microphone is 10 centimeters long. Now count by ones, tens, and hundreds. 77 to 302. 77, add 1, 2, 3 to get to 80. And 80, we can add 2 tens to get to 100. And now we add by hundreds. That's 200. That's 300. Now we can add 2 ones to get to 302. Sorry. Alright, next we have lesson 2, explanation part. Add, show how you know. Alright, 31 plus 42. So this might look a little confusing at first, but I promise you it's pretty easy and simple once you understand. So 31, what we want to do is take out the tens and ones. So it's 30 and then 1. And same for 42, take out the tens and the ones, 40 and 2. And the reason they did that is they want to add the tens and the ones separately. So they add 30 and 40 to get 70, and then 1 and 2 to get 3. So 70 plus 3 equals 73. So 31 plus 42 is equal to 73. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Add, show how you know. 20 plus 51. Well, here we don't need to take out anything from 20, but 51 is 50 and 1. We're going to add. So 20 plus 50 is 70. And then 70 plus the 1 is 71. So our answer is 71. Number 2, 22 plus 51. Alright, so now we can take out 20 and 2, 50 and 1. So 20 and 50 make 70. 2 and 1 make 3. So 70 plus 3 equals 73. So our answer is 73. Alright, pretty quick and simple lesson. Now lesson 3, add, show how you know. 43 plus 28, what they did was we know 28 is close to 30, so they add 30 to get 73, but that's 2 more than 28, so we need to subtract 2 to get to 71, so we add the original amount that we're supposed to add. And 43 plus 30 is 73, minus the 2 is 71, because 30 minus 2 is 28, which is how much we're supposed to add. And 64 plus 19, same thing, 19 is close to 20, so we add 20 and then minus 1 to get back to adding 19. Number 3, what is the difference in length? Hammer is 26 centimeters, paintbrush is 21 centimeters. So show the difference in length in 2 ways. So first, they represent with a tape diagram to show there's 5 centimeters difference, and the second one they made both 21 and added 5 at the end. Alright, so difference in length is 5 centimeters. Alright, number 3, lesson 3, add, show how you know. 61 plus 19, do 61 plus 20, because 19 is close to 20, just 81, and then we minus 1 to get to 80. That's because we added 1 more than 19, so now I have to go back 1 to get back to adding 19. 25 plus 58, can do 25 plus 60, 85, and then minus 2, 83. So our answer is 83. 45, instead of adding 29, we can add 30, which is 75, and then minus 1 to get to 74, which is the answer. Okay. Number 4, what's the difference in length? 14 and 5. So our carrot and our pea pod. The carrot is 14 centimeters, and the pea pod is 5 centimeters. So our difference is 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. Difference in length is 9 centimeters. Okay, and then now, carrot. Okay, both of these, now we can make this the same. So the pea pod is 5 and the carrot is 5, but the carrot is 9 more, so 9 more. This is the difference. So 5 plus 9 is 14. That's the length of the carrot. Alright, now lesson 4. Explanation part. Add, show how you know. Number 1, we have 156 plus 29. They just added 30 and then minus 1 to get 185. We add 30 because it's close to 29, but then after that we go back 1 because either subtract 1 then add 29. So we just go back 1 to get the real answer. Alright, 135 plus 59. We can first add 60 to plus 60 because 59 is close to 60 and that's 195. And then we go back 1. Get to 194 because we did add 60, which is 1 more than 59. So after we go back 1, we get 194, and that's our answer. Now number 2, 28 plus 146. Start at 28. Wait, it goes here. We can add 150 plus 150. That's 178. And then since we added 150 instead of 146, we subtract 4 to get 174. So 174 is our answer. Alright, pretty simple lesson. Next we have lesson 5. Add, show how you know. 29 plus 5. We know 29 plus 1 is 30. So we break apart 5 into 1, and that leaves us 4 here, 1 and 4. Now we combine the 29 and the 1 to get 29 plus 1 and then plus the 4. So 29 plus 1 is 30, plus the 4 is 34. So that is our answer. Number 2, Tam and Jade add 38 and 29. Tam thinks 40 plus 27 to find the total. And Jade thinks 37 plus 30 to find the total. Who is correct? Show how you know. Tam is thinking 40 plus 27. So we want to show how they got that from those numbers. So the original is 38 plus 29. What Tam did is take out 2 from 29 to make 40 with 38 and 2. And that leaves 27 on the side. So eventually the equation changes to 40 plus 27, which is 67. And for Jade, 38 plus 29, instead of taking out from 29, she took out from 38. Take out 1 to combine. So 29 and 1 becomes 30 plus 37 equals 67. So they're both correct. Number 3, draw lines to show halves. Halves, you just make separate in 2 equal sides. So you can separate it vertically or horizontally, but as long as they're equal. Okay. Where I go? Right here. Number 5, add, show how you know. 39 plus 6. Take out 1 from 6, and that gives us 5. Because we can combine 39 plus 1 plus 5. 39 plus 1 is 40 plus 5. That's equal to 45. So 45 is our answer. Next, we have 48 plus 13. Take out 2 from 13. Because 48 plus 2 plus 11. 48 plus 2 is 50. Plus 11 is 61. So our answer would be 61. Now Lee and Nate add 28 and 19. Lee thinks 30 plus 17 to find the total. Nate thinks 27 plus 20 to find the total. Who is correct? Show how you know. First we have Lee. So Lee thinks, okay, so first we have 28 plus 19. So Lee thinks 30 plus 17. So how did Lee get that? We took out 2 from 19 to combine, so we have 20 and 2, it makes 30 plus 17 to find the total. So that's how they did it, which is 47. And Nate, instead of taking out from 19, took out from 28. Take out 1. So then 27 plus 20 equals 47. So they are both correct. Alright, number 4, draw lines to show fourths and shade 1/4. 4 equal parts And that's not good. Shade 1/4. So 1 out of the 4 pieces. All right, now lesson 6. Add, show how you know. We have 148 plus 34. Take out 2, and that's 32 left over. 148 plus 2 is 32. So then, 148 plus 2 plus 32. That is 150 plus 32, which is 182. So 182 is our answer. Okay, number 2. Pam and Saul add 58 plus 135. Check your work. Who is correct? Alright, Pam took out 2 from 135, but then Pam wrote 134 left over. 58 plus 2 is 60. 60 plus 134 is 194. So, this part is correct. She added the numbers correctly. She added the wrong numbers correctly. That's because she made the mistake over here, which she took out 2. Instead of 134, this should be 133. So this mistake led Pam to get to the wrong answer. But Sal, 133, added correctly. The correct answer is 193. So Sal is correct. And they did the work here using the arrow way to show. Alright, number 6. Add, show how you know. 138 plus 17. Let's borrow 2. So we have 138 plus 2 plus 15. That's 140 plus 15, which is 155. So our answer is 155. And here, let's borrow 1. We have 129 plus 1 plus 45. That's 130 plus 45, which is 175. So 175 is our answer. Number 3, Nick and Lan add 68 plus 127. Who is correct? Okay, so Nick's work. 68 plus 127, take out 2 to add to 68, but they were at 127 here. So 68 plus 2 is 70. 70 plus 127 is 197. All right, so Nick added the numbers correctly, but what went wrong was Nick added the wrong numbers correctly. So instead of 127, this should be a 125, like Lan wrote over here. So Lan is correct. Show this by doing 68 plus 2 is 70. And then 70, you gotta add 125 to get 195. So Lan is correct. All right, now we have lesson 7, explanation part. Number 1, read. All right, there are 126 cans of red paint. There are 49 cans of yellow paint. How many cans of paint are there in all? We have a number bond here, red and yellow. We want to find the total of the cans. 126 plus 49. Borrow 1, and that gives us 125. So 125 plus 50, because this makes 50, is 175. So our answer is 175 cans of paint. Number 2, draw 138 with hundreds, tens, and ones. 100, 3 tens, 8 ones. Now only draw with hundreds and ones. We have 100, and then our 3 tens becomes 30 ones, along with the 8 ones. And that's because 1 10 is 10 ones. So this is how you would do it. Lesson 7. Okay, 115 books are on a shelf, 59 books are on a table. How many books are there in all? Alright, we can borrow a 1 from here to add, so now it becomes 114 plus 60. And that's equal to 174. So 115 plus 59 is equal to 174. There are 174 books in all. And now number 2, draw 326 with hundreds, tens, and ones. 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 6 ones. And now only do it with hundreds and ones. Alright, we still have our 300s, but we can't use tens. So 26 becomes 26 ones. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Alright, so 326. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye!